Yebo. Unhlanhla bashisele khona ohlelweni lenu olumnandi luthi ithini into yakho sasiphinde sabuya futhi babukele emakhaya ngibingelele wonke amalokishi ngithi hello Lamonti ngithi hello Blackesi ngithi hello Mashu esiqonqawini ngibingelele kwakhona la eMlazi la sikhona la simqophela khona uhlelo lwethu eMlazi eMzilayi awusukane madoda nakhona ko Cape Town ko Khawulisha sithi hello lapho eSoweto phezulu khona lapho sithi hello bakwethu iSoweto yonke siyo kana sibingelela nakoPitori amalokisha khona awusukane madoda kumnandi kakhulu khona la eTVD Studios wahlelo leno lithanda kakhulu lithi ithini into yakho angihambi ngedwa bakwethu ngundlo bashise ngihamba nokhokho la khokho ideclamadiaki iQueen yawu nkosi yami yakhona la nkosi yami eMlazi eMzilayi yamnandi lento before sibize iS2C namhlanje nginiphathele iS2C iqembu elimnandi kakhulu elishaya hip hop bakwethu abafana bakhona khona la eMlazi eMzilayi awu kodwa bakwethu imnandi lento before siye kubona ke ngicela ukuthi sithokozele i-music video emnandi yayo futhi S2C ethi umlilo awuzweke madoda yamnandi lento ake sishibilike madoda awu ngafaka uyakhipha ithi ha iyona ke lena ingoma ethi ngifuna wena by Youngster and the Mindols featuring uSingiphiwe Majozi noNdlondlo yimi lo awuzwe madoda nizwa Shibilika neNdlondlo Intoyakho TVD Studio YouTube channel Shibilika asithokoze
Utumlilo nyabashisa Utumlilo nyabashisa Utumlilo nyabashisa Utumlilo nyabashisa Inadala show mangisho Inadala show mangisho Utumlilo nyabashisa Utumlilo nyabashisa
Yeah, now we made this. Kutumlila sanida chocolate. Yala spoons, bizingane pele minicoons. Yet the right to push it belly pele. Now we're putting when you're vele see we manage. Every time we want it drop it low. Man, we spend on you, we shy you low. Hey, get a pretty man and clash the side. Oh boy, shit, finny, let me smash. Let it boom, boom in the room. Need a million in the fucking girls. Never gonna have to shoot a lot. What did you shoot a lot? Me the boy, he goes to shoot a lot. I got a cut, I'm a put it on. She run around with that purse. Pick a name, where you for no cash. Stop, I'm not a player. Let's make money then clear. Move away when you got fear. Gonna push it in my pocket. Of 1 minute or Sunday. Like sugar tea, that's a culture.
Mangisho. Inadala show, mangisho. Utumlilo nyabashisa. Utumlilo nyabashisa. Utumlilo nyabashisa. Utumlilo nyabashisa. Inadala show, mangisho. Inadala show, mangisho. Utumlilo nyabashisa. Utumlilo nyabashisa.
Time is a small thing that tells you what to do, yeah. Better respect time, cause if you don't, you lose so much. Time tells you wake up, time tells you hustle. said, time to keep going, I'm showing it is time. B-O-B-G-O-G, black on black, they get on God. Can't sound up today, they talk too much, they got no action. Mama living good when she wake up, I keep her calling. Watch my time is shining, look at my nigga, they ready. When I open fire, nigga, run it. MP City, where I'm from, you know that. Let the song speak more fire, you know that. Top down, big bang, nigga, let's go, you know that. I said, time to wake up, time to hustle, time to keep going, I'm showing it.
Inadalang show, mangi show. Inadalang show, mangi show. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Inadalang show, mangi show. Inadalang show, mangi show. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista.
Everybody think that I'm drinking Henny for nothing. Everybody say my families are my enemies. Everybody telling my family I can't do anything, but I'm lucky. Say when I'm lucky. Since I shoot now, S2C bega man you see your phone now. Since I cooler, but you see your new man. Now we make it rain, but it's in a sense cooler. Bank just check my banking now it's full of cash. But I get it in the stage, everybody say we are mad. I'm not a lazy man. I'm on a yellow out, can't you see? She's a happy girl.
Mangi show. Inadalang show, mangi show. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista. Inadalang show, mangi show. Inadalang show, mangi show. Putum lilo nyabashista. Putum lilo nyabashista.
As I promised, ngiphathele S2C in the house. Welcome back. I hope you did enjoy that music video by S2C Umlilo. And right now njengoba ngikade ngithembisile nginabo ngihleli nabo sozwa kabanzi ngabo ukuthi what are they about. Sithini isitori sabo. S2C nenjani mafethu? Uyaphila. Yini ngasaniphelele?
Yeah, ukhona ubafo ukuthi like he couldn't make it.
Okay.
So there's a
Okay, so
but on top of umsebenzi naye njobe ngekho there's some things like that.
So njobe hlelile lana ngicela ngitshele kabanzi ababukeli lapha yana kwi-channel ukuthi i-S2C liphuma phi igama S2C.
S2C like we're from South Coast there. So like South to Coast. Yeah, so S2C is there for South.
Oh, now I get it. Oh yeah, wow.
We're trying to be creative.
Yeah.
Don't like call it South Coast. We're trying to have that two divided so that it can sound more different to be South to Coast. Then we make it in digital S2C.
So S2C, what kind of genre again?
We're doing hip hop.
Yeah, we're doing hip hop. We're doing pop music.
Yeah. So I understand like the lingo behind it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I get it now.
You gotta be creative.
So now tell me about umsebenzi senwenzile.
We just released the EP 2021 on November. Yeah. So just 4 tracks.
Okay.
Umlilo the what we got like
Okay.
yeah, like it's the lead of the EP. The 12 EP is called Umlilo EP. So yeah.
Okay.
It's out everywhere.
Yeah, you get it. It's doing great.
Yeah.
Doing great so far.
So we can get it anyway,
Like anywhere.
Okay. And then like behind the music, what inspired the music in Windsor and creators?
All I can say is that what inspires, we teach a lot about our music. We speak only thing that we can do, only thing that we know. We don't speak about something that we don't know. We just stay in real. Once we start speaking about some other things, that means we know those things like that.
Yeah.
We don't talk like something we don't know.
So guys, you talk about
Exactly.
Things that's happening around.
Around us. Even like right now, we can have a song. We won't just jump to talk about something from Cape Town that I've never seen. Or just talk about something that's around me.
Yeah, no, I understand. And then, like, in Gangono, we can open Abazazi, stories. Like, okay, so who is your stylist? Normally very creative in terms of fashion.
Do you know there's something called kukuchi. It's a kukuchi sweat.
Kukuchi, wow.
Only get it from S2C.
First time hearing kukuchi. So wow, I must say props. I know
like it's something like on my planet.
Yeah.
We always trying to put everything together.
Yeah. Just
not expensive, but trying to look good.
But it's nice. We know what should we expect. You can expect in Jay, like that and everything. It should be popping. Kukuchi said.
You always get confused.
You need to trademark the local Kukuchi swag. It talks. So guys, besides you three, big group, the S2C, what other people have you worked with or you planning to work with?
For now, as there's S2C, we call it vision.
Yeah.
So our vision on top of like what you asked. So like 17 about DJ. You understand? So like for
DJ Wap,
DJ
Speech,
so
PH.
Because like a lot of artists, they're trying to work with some other artists like who are big on the game. So we're trying to do our thing on our own way, in a different way. We don't want to stick on those artists because those artists they might be that busy. Not that we don't want to work with them, but our strategy and our plan is to work with some DJs. Because we believe that DJs push the song more than the artists. DJs plays the music all over where they booking, but the artist might not perform your song while you're not there.
Because of
you're supposed to push his music as well, so you can't not.
I understand. I get it.
But that's not king.
We work with artists, because we work with character.
But you mainly based on DJs. More than other artists. No, only amazing. And then like upcoming performances. Happy. Where are you going to perform? How should we know about see a concert?
Like S2C is on tour. It's called Season.
Wow, Season. Wow.
Season.
You even have the t-shirt. Season. Wow.
Like we coming to any place. We're moving all around KZN.
Like we started to go to Eastern Cape, like PE, like Monfrey.
How was the vibe like from the beginning of the tour?
It's like
present experience.
It was something that and it was like
it's nice to be on tour. Now when you see artists posting like they're on tour, taking those pictures.
That must be dope.
Tour is very hard.
Once we in,
like you work. You feel I'm working.
You understand?
Because like what's happening, like you got 3 places per night. Going there. Like it's Katsukulala.
Like guys, don't you get exhausted? Like you can like 3 tours.
You see, like on Friday, like we have like 3 places to take. On Friday, maybe the last event is gonna be like we're gonna take it maybe we're gonna reach there by 3 or 4 in the morning.
Sure.
So we take that event. We have to go back to the bus and travel maybe from Eastern Cape to Manguza.
Yo.
To imagine that distance.
So like guys, like Ghanese on about like enjoying the
Yeah.
like I in the level in challenge like was like, should I continue with music or is it
because it's a dream, it's something that we work hard for it till we reach here.
Yeah.
And can't sasifisa.
Yeah.
So mangabe sesikuyona for sayifisa.
Yeah.
Sekuyinto sekumele sithi.
You need to take it, accept it and face it straight up.
Like, is there anything that you can say to like other upcoming artists, which do like tours and everything, like for people to be ready now, or actually upcoming, what to take serious,
Okay, I would say local.
Yeah.
I would say local. So it's like kuloyo nto yenzayo. Ngisho ngathiwa there's some challenges. They are very because but focus.
You need to accept,
Focus kulento ekumele ukuthi udlule kuyona, because it's like awukwazi ukuthi udlule yabo kukhona izinto like eza-creator until they make it when a while.
Because all I can tell you is that we do ask people, even today, we do ask people like how to do this, how to do that. But most of the time, we as S2C, we spend our time on YouTube.
Yeah.
We learn things from YouTube. YouTube got everything that we need as upcoming artists, as like every project
like
you are doing,
like motivate yourself.
YouTube got you.
So besides being there already, but you still learning.
Exactly.
If like umuntu grand, like we record ingoma yakhe bemnandi and you shy to go on stage and perform kubantu abaningi. Like as sicula kunabantu sibukela kubona ukuthi I want to be like the artist on stage. So when I walk with Yasawa, just look at my live performance.
Oh
yeah, you need to get someone that inspired you. That take you there.
Yeah, move, stage movement and stuff. How to connect with crowd.
Yeah. No, first guys, I hear clearly. Any being from Nambuzana, Hulu, and for Ababugili, they ask like, who are the people that incident and Abo? Like, can you name them? Sampai Bakona bag in band in terms of okay, we have worked with Osman Band.
Yeah, we've worked with Character. We've worked with Professor, but the song is not out yet.
We've worked with DJ Mgani. Actually, DJ Mgani is the one who took like Watata
career on another level.
So we bega kwethu kwakhe la isikhona, it was like into esasithi siyagive up yabo in music because of indlela bese sipushe ngayo yabo. And I remember ukuthi that day la DJ Mngani asithatha khona. It was the last event.
Yeah, it was the last event. For us, like doing this event, then after this, you know what, guys.
Like siyabona ukuthi impilo wafethu siphusha kanjani. Kanti that event and nakhona futhi umuntu oyisambisile sasivuse umuntu omdala. Yabo ebusuku. And futhi
you know this part of pushing the as upcoming
and futhi sisho
about
ukuthi
transports and stuff.
And sisho ukuthi no, i-event bafethu ayikho ila. So and we post no DJ Mngani yabo because sasimazi ukuthi okay DJ Mngani lo shaya ngoma yabo. So
he's actually your light.
You understand?
And what happened is that the day we performed, then the day we out of stage now, guys, let's go chill, have some drinks, have some chow, you know. Then he sent someone that called these guys, said them to come here. Then he said, you know what, tomorrow I want you to come to me in studio. I was like, okay. Then what happened is that one guy when we in studio said, guys, I'm gonna tell you, you guys are going to be big. because DJ Mngane, it's
Wow,
the first time
first time.
he's paying attention
Like,
from hip hop.
Yo,
Like
It's his
first.
They never ever hear DJ Mngane talking about hip hop or saying, wow, this is a nice performance from hip hop.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
to you guys, he said, come. And from that day, our spirits start again.
I
You-
start
you
again
know,
with
actually-
like we are refreshing.
Our spirits start
Actually,
again.
like you thought it was the
We
end.
even forget that it was the
beginning.
end. It was like, yo,
It was
this
actually the
is the
beginning.
beginning.
No,
Like,
guys, I'm so happy
Yeah.
and about the whole thing. You telling me that the excitement thing to
Yeah.
it's actually a great journey. And
sure.
you're still pushing
Yeah.
because you're still saying what you're still learning.
For like even
So,
right
yeah.
now, everything we do, we always say, you know
Yeah.
what, we're representing DJ Mngane. We won't let him down. We won't let him
Whoa,
down.
guys.
He took a risk about us, so
Yeah.
we got,
Like
we got
this one was like I should to other people to actually inspire them, but I feel as if your story already you telling me your story it's a whole inspiration on its own.
I'm sure.
So yeah.
I'm sure even
So
DJ Mngane, wherever he see us
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
poster or everything,
Yeah,
he's so happy.
yeah.
You know.
Phela nibonge phela nobaba lebenzovusa lo wanihambisa.
Yeah.
It's like
Yo,
he
yo,
did it
yo,
into enkulu
yo.
ukuthi anifikise khona without him.
endicabanga lapho phethe sasino-200.
And I think he was our last option.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was our last
Yeah.
option. He was
I
our
know.
last option.
And isafila like esasitshela ukuthi okay no you know guys ngifuna ukuthi nginazise lapha ku-professor phela
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
proper file
Yeah.
Sure,
like,
Natsuki.
No. And when we get there,
And
hey,
it's like-
this OG came. You'll be like,
Yeah.
yeah.
You like you're actually holding it in.
Yeah,
You're like, holding it in,
like,
but at the time-
but at the same time we have to represent
Yeah.
like,
You know?
cool
Yeah.
like,
Then he was cool. He was like, hey, my gems. I was like, hey, oh, you're like great.
Yeah.
Man. Shout, that's right, shout.
I
so
know.
like it's a good experience and we're still
Yeah.
looking more
Forward
forward.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's not forget that. Pray and if it's under you must feel
Yeah.
what there is something happening.
Yeah.
Just push, don't give up.
Like I also want to know something, Buffet. So like, when did you discover that okay, we have something different? We want to show it up. We have something different. Maybe you didn't name it back then, but you felt it was something different. Like, do we express when was the first time when you saw it? Okay, we have something.
Actually, we wanted to do something different even way back. Because I started this music thing and my brother joined me. Then we said, we sat down. We said, you know what? Yeah, we can do what we do, but
there's something
we feel like there's something missing.
Yeah.
You know. Then life in the corner. Then there's a guy, the one who's here. Yeah. So
I went through.
he was busy worrying him. Like then he come back and tell me, oh, like, this guy.
Yeah.
And we're like, okay, you know what? Let's just take a proper meeting. Let's meet
Yeah.
him. Let's talk. Let's hear his vision.
Yeah.
Because now we can't take someone.
Samisa one of the restaurants.
Yeah, one of the restaurants.
Because
You know,
I wanna take it like
the way he respects us,
Yeah.
the way he loves our music,
Yeah.
and the way he really wants to work with us.
Yeah.
You know, we'll be like, you know what, let's just do it proper. Let's take him to town.
Yeah.
Let's just chill down, have some bites, you know, and talk about business.
Sure.
You know. So yeah, then we hear his music. Then we said, okay, fine, we'll talk because schooling together. Like,
Yeah.
okay, fine. We're gonna make our final decision. Then we buy home. Then we chill. We listen to his music. They'll be like, okay, you know what, this guy, we can give him a chance. You know, his voice, his rhymes can do
His
more,
flow.
can have
Yeah.
more impact on us. So like
the one that we need.
then after that, then boom, we went start working together. You know.
The rest is history.
Yeah, the rest.
So,
Take
like,
now, on
and
the
also we want to know, and as viewers out there, they want to know, where can we get you? Your handles, can you please like drop them?
Okay, on Facebook, our Facebook page, it's S2C DBN.
Yes, sir.
On Instagram, it's S2C DBN.
Yes, sir.
On TikTok, it's S2C_Debe.
Yes, sir.
You know how we're coming.
Showcase, guys. I hope it was really, and I hope you're going to follow, and I hope you listen to the subscriber, and also like this episode. It was great, and Hope kakhulukazi usenjoyile yonke into la ithini Intoyakho be exclusive. Sibuza ama-file, sibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani and obhuti yabayaphusha. Till next time, siyabonga. Your girl Coco signing out. Ithini Intoyakho.
Issue.
Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma. Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma.
Hold up, ayy, her private jet is on the way. Roll up, ayy, abafana bakhalange fame. Belange nizinje konkotha yasheke sivale ngisho kunomncintiswano. Fam, asketch, sihlale lithi mewinayo. But ask goodbye to like rock fan, move side to side after cocktail. Want to lose, but I get away. Now we talk about us to move away. Phela ngiblessa bocherry kodwa ngiyeza baloba bahlezi bekhonko. Phela imali le, hlezi kushubile. Bari palmu ngenayo sobobol. Phetha bolofu yasibonel. Chazi umsweko sayikhandel. Mazikudinga zosondel. Thathi phone that I go jail. Want to lose, but be khandel. Show them some include the Bible. Work hard, pray hard. Do what you do from the day one.
Siyaluma, siyaluma. Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma.
Tell them call le man. Yes, so cool say gato. Kuna se ploma le gabi. Zaluma. Swing again is dead lum swego. She's and crunch gat. Trap, trap. Stanzi Mandela dance. It's the zoo. Mami we big five. Mazumbona. Slala zonke. Look at you, look at us. Don't you try it, only mala. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got my beats bulls. They used to take care of me. They're gonna make sure time is mine. I'll never be late. I got my beats bulls. They used to take care of me. S2C from the south.
Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Izinja zami ziyakumbutha, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma. Ngibafana nobaleka, siyaluma, siyaluma.
Kuzeka bo sekushubile.
Stedelisi nje sikhuzile. Umdrip utonsa Thomas gibele stage. Stedele imvula we. Makamkathina bakhipha amafoni. Imvike nge-ice, cover my face. Yeah.
No face, no case.
Jungu umuntu akusefuna mina.
Nendoda yakhe isizenza mina.
Shuthi kulo mjolo nihlangene ngama nebizo into plana zokhuza.
Buka umuntu akusefuna mina.
Nendoda yakhe isisenza mina.
Shuthi kulo mjolo nihlangene ngami. Bizo untupana zokhuza.
TBT issue. Ngiyafaka uyakhipha ithi. Ithini Intoyakho ithi. Ngiyafaka uyakhipha ithi.